the massage gun. Have you seen this? Do you suffer from back aches, stiffness, tightness? You might want to get yourself one of these. This particular brand is 9AC, but they're all very similar. So they've got this thing on the end which you can change. Pull that out and change to different end pieces, and you just literally pop on the bottom, switch it on. That turns to green, so shows you that it's on, and then there's a little button there. You press that, and then it starts doing this thumping action. And you can use those over your shoulders, you can use them over your back, you can use them over your legs, you can use them on your muscle, not your bone. You want to be using them on your muscle. So let me know if you've tried these before. If you want support with your back, I do offer Pilates and yoga classes in Cambridge. Thank you for watching.